A Few Minutes with Fade to Black episode 5 starts right now. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Like I always do at the beginning of my videos, I like to say thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching the videos. Thank you guys so much for being a part of Fade to Black's YouTube channel because I greatly appreciate it. Without you guys, it is nothing. But this is A Few Minutes of Fade to Black where we talk about what you guys have going on, because you can comment down below, share thoughts with each other, help each other out, and also talk about the topic of the week. Now, the topic of this week, I'm gonna tell you guys, we're gonna go back a little bit because you know how I like to go back, so just hold on. Hang out with me, let's go back. All right, so I'm gonna take you guys back to when even before I got my driver's license, man, I already had it set up. I knew I wanted to have a fixed up car. I used to draw cars when I came home from school when I was a kid. I knew I wanted to have something different than anybody else. So I gotta thank my mother. She bought a car, which enabled me to get her old car. So my very first car, and that's the topic of this week. What was your very first car, all right? So my first car was a 1987 Pontiac 6000. It was nothing fancy. I think it only maybe had power windows on it. But man, I put so much stuff on that car, so much time and energy and effort on that car. It was crazy. You know, I had my cousin helping me with that thing. I had 2 sets of rims and tires on that thing. I had the windows tinted. I had neon underneath it. I had a bumping system in that thing. I had some little rigged up alarm on that thing, man. That was my first car. I used to ride around with that thing all over the place. So my Facebook friends, they probably still remember that car. But that was my very first car, man. I was driving that thing to high school, bumping in the morning and everything else. And man, I had a lot of fun in that car. So that was my very first car. So I want to hear about what was your first car? Comment down below and let me know what your first car was. Let me know what the situation was. Man, like I said before, when you get that driver's license and you want a car so bad and you're into cars, that is like the greatest feeling to get your own car. So yeah, I'm taking it way back to the very first car. That was so long ago, but I can still remember that car. The start of just messing with cars and modding cars and doing something different. And man, I tell you what, going back to now thinking about how the styles were just totally different. The styles were totally crazy. But man, that was my first car and I had so much fun with it. And my friends, we used to ride around doing things. So we also had so much fun with that car too. So comment down below. Let me know what was your very first car because I am very eager to see what you guys had. So smash that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed yet. Hit that bell so you do not miss any videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you like any of the content on my channel because I would greatly appreciate it. And once again, I will be back with another video. And until then, stay faded, guys. Peace. Thank you guys for hanging out and being a part of...